How to set up a Shopify store in mobile. Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to set up a Shopify store right from your mobile phone. Whether you're just getting started or want to manage your store on the go, Shopify makes it super easy to create an online store right from your phone. Let's dive right in. First is to download the Shopify app. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for the Shopify app. Once you've found it, tap Install and wait for it to download. Open the app once it's ready. If you're new to Shopify, tap Sign Up to create a new account. If you already have an account, simply log in. After logging in or signing up, Shopify will guide you through a setup process. Enter your name, enter your email, your phone number, and everything that Shopify prompts you to do. Here you would have to here you would have to enter your country so that Shopify knows where you are shipping from. I will choose Philippines here and then click on next. Just going to click on continue. In the Shopify app, you'll see a products tab at the bottom. Tap this, then select add your products. Fill out the key details about each product, including title, description, and price. You can also add images by tapping on the image section and uploading photos from your phone gallery. When you're done, tap Save in the top right corner. Repeat this process for each product you want to add. Customize your store's appearance. From the main dashboard, find and tap on the Online Store tab. Here, you'll be able to customize your store's look and feel. Shopify provides free and paid themes, Browse available themes, select one that fits your brand, and tap Add to Store. For my store, the current theme is done, and I'm not really planning to change it up anytime soon, so I'll just leave it be. Once the theme is added, tap Customize to adjust things like your store logo, banner images, and color scheme. Try to keep the look consistent with your brand. After customizing, make sure to save your changes to apply the theme to your store. Step 5, Setting up payment methods. Go to Settings. On the app's main menu, tap Settings at the bottom of the screen. Tap on Payments to set up how you want to accept payments. And third, choose your payment options. Shopify Payments, which includes credit cards, is the simplest option and has no transaction fees beyond Shopify's standard fees. You can also connect PayPal, Amazon Pay, and other payment gateways. If you choose Shopify Payments, you will need to enter your bank account details so you can receive funds. Once your payment options are set up, save them to finalize your choices. Step 6, Set up shipping. Go to Settings again, then Shipping and Delivery to set up how you'll handle shipping. Decide where you'll be shipping to. You can set up different rates for domestic and international shipping. Create flat rates, free shipping options, or calculated rates based on weight or price. If you offer free shipping over a certain amount, add that here. Once done, save your shipping settings to make them active. Step 7, Launch your store. Double check everything from product listings and prices to payment and shipping settings. To make your store live, you'll need to select a Shopify plan. Shopify offers several plans. Shopify, double check everything from product listings and prices to payment and shipping settings. To make your store live, you'll need to select a Shopify plan. Shopify offers several plans depending on the features you need. In settings, go to online store and disable the password to make your store public and accessible to customers. Once your store is ready, publish it. Your Shopify store is now live and ready for customers. And there you have it. You're all set to start selling on Shopify, all from your mobile device. With Shopify's mobile app, setting up and managing your store is easy and convenient. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your online store. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe on to the channel.